Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can send images and photos to your contacts in Telegram on PC or on laptop. So let us guide you through this. Launch Telegram on your desktop computer, or if you like, access it via a web browser such as Google Chrome. Make sure that you're logged in with your account, and after that click into the conversation where you'd like to send your image in. So let me go with that user here. So guys, in the conversation here at the bottom, you will see that text field where you can enter and type in your message. And you can also attach files to the given message and send it to your contact like I did with that example photo here. Let me just react to it with a heart, just for demonstration purposes. So what you want to do is click into that paperclip icon here on the right hand of that text message field and select photo or video, or alternatively guys, select document, for instance, if you'd like to send a document. So select photo or video. Next, locate the given image file, like for example JPEG or PNG on your device. After that, add a caption. You may also click into these three dots here and use one of these features here, for example, or simply send it by clicking into this button. Now, if you hover your mouse over that thumbnail or preview, you will see these settings here, guys. So you may customize and edit your image directly here in Telegram. For example, crop it. Like, let me, for instance, apply a 16:1 aspect ratio, just for demonstration purposes. Then you may use these corners here to find custom cropping, or you may, for instance, adjust the brightness, the saturation, etc., etc. Add a text, for example. Draw by hand, and so on and so forth. Okay, so as you can see, there's so much you can do. Let me just leave it like that. Click into the check mark icon in the bottom right to save your changes. You may also remove the given image by clicking into this button, or apply that that feature here. I don't know what it is actually, to be honest, but you can use it, for instance. And yeah, click into send here, and after that the given image will be sent to your contact. And I believe this is an effect that makes, or that allows you to send your photo or image somehow in that blurred mode here, so that your contact doesn't see it. They will only see the original image or photo once they click into it. That's at least my theory, you guys, here. So don't take this information for granted or take it with a grain of salt, because I'm not an expert in this, but that's at least how you send images and photos on Telegram on PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.